Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is day 29 of my 31 days of Halloween challenge, and today is going to be a sad day for me. We are going to be unboxing Pastel Pixies Kawaii box. The reason why it's a sad day is because after I got a email confirmation of my box coming, I got an email the next day and saying that this was going to be her last subscription box sent out, so she's going to be canceling everyone's subscription after this. Everyone's information's gone. It's kind of sad, really, because I missed like a year of her subscription box, and I actually don't know how long she's been doing subscription box. I think she only had it for like a year or two before I tried it out. But you're probably sitting there like, how is this Halloween related? So this box is actually spooky related. It's all Halloween, it's all creepy cute. I'm just kind of sad that this is my last box I'm getting from her, because I look forward to these boxes every couple of months, since it's not every month, it's every 3 to 4 months. Like a seasonal subscription box, you know? So it's finally here, and I've been wanting to unbox it, but at the same time I'm like, no, I don't want to, because it's the last one. But yep, so we're gonna get started unboxing this, and I can't wait to see what's in here. I'm so bummed. Let's get on with the video. I don't wanna. Okay, so I got the card for this month, and it is Trick or Treat, which is a really cute card. I love it. I love all their cards. I think I have 2, 3, taped to my wall at the moment. And is which super spooky treats are in the box this year? This is a second creepy themed box, but this time the treats are a bit more on the spooky side. We're still kept in a few candy colors in our theme in this time around, but this time we have thrown in a dash of traditional spooky pumpkin orange and monster slime green. This box is still ultra cute, but with a few more tricks rather than treats. We've got your back this Halloween with some super exclusive designs only available in this box. Oh, who says Halloween is only for October when you can wear these cute designs all year long? And yeah, so there's probably exclusive content in here that you can't even get in store, which is awesome because I love things like that. So let's go in and grab the first item. Is Evil Eye Look Sharp Liner. Ooh, it's a liquid eyeliner. I don't think I've ever got a makeup product in the box before. Ooh, I like the look of it. It's black, thank God. Let me see the brush. Oh, I'm probably gonna use it. The brush is very pointed. Yeah. And it's stiff, so that's gonna go on nicely. Awesome. I love makeup products. And the second item I'm grabbing is stickers! Oh, look at all the little stickers. Oh, I don't think I'll ever use the stickers. Moonchild, something in Japanese, a very cute pumpkin, and I think it's a ghost or a skull head, but the bunny is ridiculous. Yeah, that's freaking cute. I feel some socks coming on. And it's like candy corn, melted, pink, orange, and white. I'm gonna say they're just regular size socks, so they only go like mid-calves, but I love getting socks from Pastel Pixie. They're so cute every time. I never thought about this color combo. Interesting. Very interesting. I feel an enamel pin. It's adorable. Oh, I'm so in love with this. Oh, that's so cute. I can wear it with my clothing when I'm at work. I swear to God, if this is soap, I'm gonna be kind of happy but kind of pissed. Because I used the other one from last box. And that was awesome. It was really good at my skin and it didn't cause any irritation, which is a plus. So this is Witch's Brew, sugar, spice, and everything nice. Oh, it's a candle. Oh, it smells nice. Sparkly. Cool, I love getting candles, and this is gonna be awesome. Put it around the house. And then the sixth item is an apparel. And, oh, it's purple, it's green, it's spooky. Oh my God, it looks amazing. Oh, I wanna open it. I wanna open it. That is adorable. Oh my God, I love the shirt. I am totally wearing this to work today. That is amazing. I love all the designs. The heart, the bats, boo, pumpkin. Oh, that is awesome. I was hoping to get a really cute spooky shirt. Like, this is creepy cute vibes. Oh my God. Is there any additional items? That's it. There's no art, which I usually get, so that's a little disappointing because I was ready for some spooky art to add into my kawaii wall. And that's all the items. I'm very happy with everything. I'm just really bummed this is the last one. And I guess from the card, she hasn't been doing the subscription box very long. It's been running 2 years. So that is it for this video of Pastels Pixies final kawaii subscription box. It's just, I can't believe it. There is a chance maybe I'll save up some money and actually buy stuff from her website. She's got a lot of dresses and skirts and other things on there. So if you guys like this video of the final box of Pastel Pixies kawaii subscription box, please give this video a nice like. And if you want to follow me and my other social media accounts, all the links are down below in the description box as well. And make sure you subscribe to my channel to see the rest of the content I will be releasing for the remaining of October, even though there's only like 2 days left. I would like to say thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye!